Hey, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and from Northern Ireland, and it's like, what time is it? It's just past 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is rising where I am here. I'm just back from the gym and things like that. There, it's still early. I'm not long up, but I wanted to jump on this video and share and welcome you to the team, and really share this idea of writing out what you really want, because most of the time, if you try this little experiment, it's from the book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T.Harv Eker, and he asks you in that book to just ask people what they want, and most of the time when you ask someone this question, they'll rhyme off all the things that they don't want. And just try this for yourself, my friend, because when I done it, it really worked, and it just shows you the way we've been conditioned to think about the negatives and the things that we don't want. And when we focus on what we don't want, we'll go get more and more of what we don't want, and realistically it's really what you don't want. So I want to share this idea with you because it's changed my thinking and it's changed my life, my friend, and hopefully it can change your life and your thinking, because the topic of this video is really welcome you to the team. And what we're all about on CameronLimitless.com is building a limitless life, and really it all starts with knowing what you want. And I challenge you, my friend, I'm going to leave you a few little goal cards below. Let's see, I've got three different ones. I've got my big goal, I've got a health goal, I've got a financial goal, things like this here. I've got three goals here. One's personal development, one's my big goal, and then one's my business goal. And I'm going to leave you, little goal cards below that you can print out, and I'll just say my goal by whatever date. You always set a dead date, because if you don't have a dead date, it's just a dream, so we want to set a goal. So I'll leave you the card below, and I challenge you, my friend, I do this twice a day. Write out everything that you want on this piece of paper, and you'll start to change your thinking, because when you start writing out what you do want, then you'll start focusing on what you do want, then you'll get more of what you do want. And it's like your mind, your subconscious mind, what you focus on mostly, your subconscious mind will start picking up on these ideas, and it'll start working towards it unconsciously, which is really crazy. Sometimes I know for me, say when I was younger, it was like I would self-sabotage myself. I don't know if you're like that as well, my friend, but I wanted to change that there. And when you have a big goal and you have goals that you focus on, and then you write out what you want on a piece of paper, like twice a day I do it. If you don't have to do it twice a day, but you can do it once a day. Writing out what you want, it'll start to program that into your mind, and then instead of self-sabotage, you'll be working unconsciously towards your goals. And it's really crazy, especially when you start writing it out in the morning and night, and then when your mind picks up on that there, you'll notice it. You will notice yourself doing things that you wouldn't normally do, that you want to do, but normally it's kind of like when you know what you have to do but you don't do it. So when you start to reprogram your mind to what you do want, you'll start to do them things that you want to do, and it's really crazy. I challenge you to do that there. And I also left a little training below, just to give you a little idea of what this here whole challenge is to about building an internet business and affiliate marketing and things like this here. But I left that training. You can watch the training, it's free. And I challenge you, my friend, to write out a goal, because this is where it all starts. And I look forward to sharing with you how we're going to build this internet business. And have a great day, my friend. Take care. Peace.